This is an extra degree alert. Roswell Pro Audio pushing the boundaries, changing the game a little bit. So here's the thing. Their stuff's good. Hopefully you saw my videos about their Polaris and their Mini K87. I had to get my hands on a couple of more minis. I love those microphones so much. They do so many things so well. All the reviews are glowing and positive. They do all the things that premium mics do at a fraction of the cost. And now they've upped the ante to make them even cooler. Customize them to match your own preferences.
Might be trying to get our attention.
I don't know, but he just got mine.
As soon as they launched their custom mic builder, I went onto the website and I started building. I already have the 87, I have the Polaris. What I don't have is a 47 and a 67. I have to complete the collection here. And turns out, I get to make them beautiful. Today we're looking at Roswell Pro Audio's Mini K47x and their Mini K67x. Let's unbox it, take a look. This is Roswell Pro Audio's Mini K47x and 67x, both with 34mm capsules and a cardioid pickup pattern. Features a single stage JFET transformer topology with a vintage European-made output capacitor, a vintage circuit design with Roswell T7 output transformer with a solid steel body with a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The K47x is designed to have a mid-forward frequency response, really good on vocals, guitars, and pianos, with a nice mellow harmonic saturation. It gives you all the flavor of a tube microphone and a very low self-noise. The K67x features a wideband frequency response and an extended top end with a really lovely air and a presence. With the harmonic saturation coming from their transformer coupled circuits, it's also a very low noise microphone. It's one of those kinds of mics that sound great on everything. It's the little brother of their flagship Polaris microphone. Sounds amazing on vocals. And one of the best new things that Roswell Pro Audio just launched is their custom shop and mic builder tools that lets you configure your microphone to meet your own preferences. The custom shop is really cool. Really great colors that you can add, features and functionality to already great microphones. It is absolutely an extra degree. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out. Boom! Look at my two new minis. My 47X and my 67X. They are sexy. Look at that, baby. Oh man, I love these colors so much. So very happy. What do you guys think? Oh man. Shit, looks like I lost a rubber. Good thing Roswell equips you with some extra rubbers. It's always good to have some extra rubbers. That's funny, but it's also true. Be safe out there. The 47 is a large condenser microphone, the cardioid polar pickup pattern. That's a 34mm capsule on the inside. It's a vintage circuit design for the transformer on the output, so that's giving you that sweet saturation, that nice warm touch that you want in a microphone like this, kind of rounding out the edges on the top end. It's a relatively flat microphone with a slight kiss on the high frequencies. Solid steel body, comes with a shock mount, beautiful color and finish, nice chrome head basket there, beautiful, beautiful. Small, light, compact. This is a rock solid must-have in your toolkit microphone. I also have the brother. Now this is the 67. This is a more traditional vocal microphone. Also a 34mm capsule on the inside. Solid steel body. I went with white and black because I thought that would look super dope. I was right. I was right about it. I also chose the high output option on the custom mic builder. A little more of the character of the microphone, I think. Now part of this, the magic of the 67X, there's a custom tuning. There's no corrective EQ for the capsule. It's a less harsh mic and the sibilant frequencies are dipped at 5 and 7K. And you get a nice tight bass response on the 67X. Top end circuit designs, high quality components, and an excellent output transformer. In the custom shop, you can also select for an internal pad switch in the case that you're recording on something like drums or something, you know, really loud and spiky. Very low self noise is another reason why I pick up on this mic. I'm really impressed with the low self noise. It's kind of one of those desert island mics. You grab the black and white mic, put it on whatever, it's gonna sound good. Nice full range sound tight bass, kind of like the little brother of the Polaris. In contrast, the 47X is supposed to be really good on instruments, pianos, guitars, acoustics, because it has that nice rounded top end, nice harmonic saturation like a tube mic. So I have two different flavors for vocals, and if I'm ever recording instruments here, I can always throw the 47 on. So I'm very happy with my options. I have my go-to vocal mic. I have a nice alternative vocal mic that offers a little more character. I'm in really good shape.
Tell me what you're drinking, 'cause this is unacceptable. Are you crazy? You've been saying real weird like da 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 da. You're not making sense no more. Saying things like da 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 da. This is unacceptable. Da 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 da. You're not making sense no more. Saying things like da 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 da. This is unacceptable.
So I have my primary mic on the desk. This is the 67, the primary vocal mic. It's going through my Harrison 32C pre and nothing else. It's actually not getting processed by anything else. Sounds really great. Sounds fantastic. Fantastic. Doing voiceover work and things like that, it's actually really good for. Here's what the mic sounds like if I get a little bit closer, a little bit proximity effect. Hello, 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 hello. Coming back in, coming back out. Check, 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 check. Really get that full body sound. It's a cardioid polar pickup pattern. So if I spin the mic around, come around the backside like this. Hello, hello, hello. Coming around the backside. Hello, 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 hello. Coming all back. Hello, 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 hello. So the mic sounds really, really, really good. It's a really nice large capsule, so you can capture a nice big full sound. So it captures your entire vocal and the entire spectrum and captures all of the nuance of your voice. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Really great noise rejection. Looks really great in the studio. So when you put it on the desk, you actually kind of get what you're looking for. Very voice friendly, that low self noise. Nice little kiss at the top end. Let's take a look at the other one. In contrast, this is the 47X on a vocal, and a male vocal at that. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. I actually crushed that one. I actually nailed it. If I want to get a little closer, this is what the mic sounds like coming in. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. You get a slightly different character. A little more of that, like I said, that rounded top end. You get a little bit more saturation from the output transformer. I love the way the mids sound in this microphone. It actually sounds really good on my voice, I think. It really sounds really well on instruments, but I think it also sounds great on vocals. So it's nice to have this option. I love the idea of having all three, the 47, the 67, and the 87. So you can work with a wide range of vocalists and just for all types of other needs in a studio setting, in a recording type scenario. I really encourage you to pick up a pair. I love Roswell Audio's mics. I love them so much. They just do everything really well, and they're well thought out, and they're well crafted. Really solid build. The chrome head basket I really love. Nice touch. Get you some minis. It's probably the only mics you're gonna need. You're gonna get your hands on one. They're like little Tic Tacs. What's the thing? You bet you can't eat just one? Snickers? I don't know, something like that. Bet you can't eat just one. It's like a potato chip. That's what it is, a potato chip commercial. Anyway, that's the K47X and the 67X. Amazing sounding microphones, obviously. Amazing build quality coming from people who actually care about the product that they're putting out. They care about you as a consumer. Matthew McGlynn, great guy, knows his stuff. Check his website out. You're gonna learn a lot. He makes amazing microphones. And if you haven't tried one, put it up against your Holy Grail microphone. Put it up against your most expensive microphone in your locker and see. Bet you'd be surprised at what you hear. All the minis, man. All the minis are my favorite. Or go for their flagship Polaris. But definitely get your hands on their Mini K47, their 67, their 87. It's all good quality mics. And now they look even better than ever. Well, thank you guys again for watching. It's your boy Second Born. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.